Here I've got OUKITEL WP2, and let me show you how to use recovery mode on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone and then select power off, click on OK to confirm that you would like to shut it down and wait a couple of seconds. Now tap on power key and volume up key and hold both keys all together. And now we are in boot mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up key, and for selection use volume down key. So let's select recovery and tap on volume down key to confirm. Now we are in Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection use power key. So here you can reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphic test, and also power off the device. So all you have to do is just to pick the option that you would like to apply and then tap on power key to select. And I would reboot system now because it's the best option to go back to the normal mode. Let me tap on power key, just wait a couple of seconds, and after a while you'll be back in the normal mode and you can go back to normal usage of your OUKITEL. And that's it. As you can see, now we are back in the normal mode, so enjoy your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.